Hi guys, my name is Vivek and today we will discuss about the hotel industry which is the worst beaten during this pandemic and shares are down, nobody is going to hotels, no business meetings, no seminars, no stay, no picnic, no holidays, no travel, no international travel. So during this time, the hospitality sector has been worst hit, and stocks are available at a very beaten down cheap prices. Whereas everybody knows that this is not a permanent problem because all the scientists and doctors are working hard to bring a vaccine for this so that because this is not a problem of a single country, this is a problem of every country in the world. Every country, the US is facing the same problem. All Europe was worstly hit about it. So, when there is a problem which is not permanent in nature and there is no structural change which is going to make any difference in an industry, especially in a country like India, which is growing like anything, and this is the fastest major economy in the world. So, what will happen once the vaccine or proper medication would be available for this COVID 19? I do think that everything will back to normal and the businesses of hospitality sectors will become again a normal thing and all these businesses, seminars and hotel stays will come again in nature. Right now people are afraid of in going to hotel and hotels are closed actually that is one more thing, but they are not going to stay or shut forever. They will open up again and they will come back with a big bang because all the meetings and seminars those are pending right now. I know that a lot of people are thinking that these are being conducted over the webinar, but there is no joy and there is no fun, believe me. Once offices will be opened and the sales team would be achieving something, then webinar will not work. There would be a seminar in a big hotel and all of them after working will have a party. Things get normal. People always forget this kind of temporary setbacks, and these shares those are available at a one third or half of the prices of just pre-pandemic time, and these are available at a very cheaper price. And if we have a look at the chart patterns of all these shares, then I have seen one thing, that there is an accumulation at every fall. Insiders or operators or owners or long-term investors are buying them. It's very less volume when they are going down, and at a lower level, suddenly there is a huge buying. There is a surge in the volume, and after that, they are going in a U-shaped pattern on the upside. We'll discuss the charts of these shares. So this is one industry which I am looking at this point of time, where there are 3, 4, 5, 6 companies. Those are listed on NSE, and those are purely in hotel business. So I am not considering right now the company like ITC, which is one of the major player, but ITC's main revenue does not come from the hotels, that comes from the tobacco business, cigarettes. So I'm leaving that aside. I'm considering companies like East India Hotel, EIH Limited, EIH Associate Limited, Chalet Hotels, and one Lemon Tree Hotel. So these are 4 companies we are going to consider. We'll have a look at the charts and we'll see what was the price before pandemic and what is the price today, and what is the probability of going up. See, one more thing, there are rumors in the market that PM Modi would be announcing a vaccine on 15th of August when he would be on Red Fort. So, but these are rumors, and there could be a target to have a vaccine by 15th of August, because that is an important date, and PM Modi announced that, and we would be having an independence from COVID-19 also. But even if we don't get that by 15th of August, then we would get that by the end of the year. Why so? Because every scientist, those are in the same field, are working hard, and a lot of companies are already in an advanced stage to have a vaccine. So what happens? Suppose we get the vaccine by the end of the year. So overall, these hotel companies would be making a loss for the entire year, that is 2020. So I'm assuming that this loss would be recovered in the next year. Means suppose if a company is making a loss of 100 crore during the year, and next year that makes a profit of 100 crore, so that loss is getting zeroized now. They have recovered the loss in the next year. So these 2 years means after that they would be back to normal business. So when the companies are back to normal business and there is no such setback or there is no such pandemic, then these share prices should also be back to normal before those were before the pandemic. So even if these prices take 2 years time to go back, I am okay, because during this 2 years, if my share price is getting double, I would be getting 100% return in that case. And 100% return in 2 years by doing nothing during this period, because this is not a trading I am talking about, this is investment I am talking about. So that is a very, very good return, and prices are genuine, available at a cheaper price. So further a drawdown in the investment, if we buy at this level, is very minimal, and we can buy more shares if that goes down. Okay, so we have discussed these shares, and we'll go through the chart also. But before going to the chart, there is a small disclaimer that seriously, I don't mean here to recommend to buy or sell any of the company. This video has been made just to make investors and my viewers understand that what we should think about if any particular industry has gone down or it has been beaten down. So what should be the approach to consider the situation, means to analyze the situation in this kind of scenario when all the shares of a particular industry are down. So let's start, and I have already given the disclaimer that this is an educational video to guide my viewers. So let's start having a look at the charts of all these companies and what were the price before the pandemic and what is the price now. Let's start now. So these are 4 companies we are discussing. One is Lemon Hotels, second is Chalet Hotels, and third is India Hotels Company Limited, fourth is EIH Limited. Before this, so the pandemic was started just before that, but the major impact was on 27th Feb when Nifty had started falling down. So on 27th Feb, the price of Lemon Tree was 52.8, and yesterday the price was closed at 23.8. And if the price goes back to the pre-pandemic level, means the price which was on 27th Feb, so there would be a return of 122%. The same case is of Chalet Hotels, which was trading at 323.9, and yesterday the price was 135.95. There is a potential gain of 138% if the price goes back to the 27th Feb price. Then same is of Indian Hotels. It was trading at 140.95. Yesterday it traded at 81.3, and now the potential would be 73%. And the same is here of EIH Limited. 132.10 was the price on 27th Feb 2020, and yesterday the price was 66.5, and the potential would be of 99%. So all these shares combined together, I would not say that one should buy only Chalet Hotels, which has the potential to go 138%. But in that case, actually we don't know on which date and how far these shares would go up. So it is always better when we are discussing about a particular industry. Someone wants to buy or invest 10 lakh rupees in hotel industry, or in buying these shares. So I would suggest divide it in 4 parts, and 2.5 lakh rupees should be invested in each one of them. Again, now if we look at the chart of Lemon Tree Hotels, just Lemon Tree Hotels, see here, these are my technical charts. I would remove because right now we are talking less technical and more business wise. So here the price was almost 62 on 24th Feb, and it started falling along with the entire market. And here the low was made on 21st May. So when the low was made, you can see there was a huge surge in the volume. It was the low with a green candle with a huge volume. So someone had bought at this price the entire quantity which was available in the market. You understand? After that, there was a upper circuit continuously of 5% every day till the time the price went to 31.80. During this period, when there was an upper circuit, someday there was a volume, then volume, then volume, there was no volume, then volume, there was very less volume. So if someone was selling, if someone had bought at these levels among the retailers, and they started booking profit during this upward journey, if the person who had bought it here, or the group of people who had bought it here during this upward journey, whatever was coming to sell, they were buying. After that, you see, it went to 31.35. Okay, then it got a hit, it started falling down again. Now, one thing we need to understand, that after such a huge rally, I will say this huge rally, why? Because it had started going up from 14 and it went up to 31.80. This is more than 100% gain for someone who had bought it here. More than 100% gain in few days, in just a period of 15-20 days. So it's natural that short-term traders would be booking profit here, but long-term investors are not here to book a profit only for this much of percentage when there is a very huge rally still available. There is a big gap available. Now, when it started falling down, there was a huge volume again on 30th June. So it means that this share is attracting the guys who are long-term investors. Means long-term investors have bought here also. Now, few people would say that this is a red candle and the volume is also red. The candle is red and volume is red just because it was closed lower than the previous day. Okay, here we are looking at the daily chart. So let's see when and at what time this volume was generated. Okay, so let's open the hourly chart. We go to hourly chart and see what happens. If we see, this was the volume that was there on that day. Here, see, this was buying, and this was the buying at the last hour. You see here, just at the close of the market, 15:15. This is the time. Means whatever was available for sale during that hour, during that moment, everything was bought again. And after that, the market has opened on first, then on second, then on third, then on sixth, right? It has not fallen below that level. So again, it is showing that this is a proper support of this share. And I do say this is technical term, but if this share goes down below this level, I am okay. We should be okay. See, if we are getting a gain of almost more than 100% or 100%, even if next 2 years, who gives that kind of a return? No one, nowhere. And this is investment, not a trading. Again, in trading we need to be very vigilant, we need to do some homework every day, we need to be active every day, we need to give few hours every day But here in investment, we have to take a right decision. We have to buy quantity, we have to invest, and we have to forget it. Forget doesn't mean that we have to seriously forget it. Forget means we have not to do anything in between till the time pre-pandemic situation does not come into place, the things doesn't get normal, the business doesn't get normal. Once the business will get normal, the share price will also get normal, and by the time these shares would give us 100% return. So it was here, we have seen the chart of lemon tree. Let's see the chart of chalet. Again the same chart. This is the same chart. It started going up, there was a pullback, and the pullback was in a rounding shape, which is again tell us that this is more or less an accumulation, not a distribution. And there was a huge volume here, everything was bought. And see, after that 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13, after that 13, during these 13 sessions, the share price has not been broken down below this level. Again, it has become a support. Now, EIH Hotel, EIH Limited, the same thing is happening here. These shares are being accumulated at a lower level with a huge volume. With a huge volume. Same EIH Associate Hotels, same thing. Here, this share has not underperformed, it was not even gone down too much, and this is good actually, because some of the players knows that this kind of situation when everything is locked down is not permanent in nature. So this was for the day, just to understand that what happens when an industry is beaten down and all the leading shares of that industry have gone down. Is it the opportunity to buy at that time, or this is the time to get scared? See, there is an old saying, when there is a blood in the Wall Street, there is always an opportunity to make big money. Grab that. I hope you like this video. For more videos, just subscribe the channel and do a thumbs up. Have a good day. Have a good trading. Thank you.